Binance self-custody wallet launches crypto-to-fiat off-ramp. Trust Wallet has partnered with MoonPay and Ramp to allow customers to convert their crypto to fiat without using any centralized exchange. News on this piece of history. Collect this article as an join us on social networks. Trust Wallet, the non-custodial and multi-chain crypto wallet, has partnered with Ramp and MoonPay to introduce seamless crypto-to-fiat withdrawals for its users. The partnership will allow wallet users to convert crypto to fiat directly within the wallet app. The feature eliminates the need for transferring funds to a centralized wallet to liquidate or convert to fiat. With the help of this new functionality, users may now enter and exit the cryptocurrency market totally through their self-custody wallet and take complete control of their cryptocurrency funds. The crypto-to-fiat conversion feature comes when centralized exchanges and even peer-to-peer platforms are shutting down. The latest to shut up shop is Paxful, a popular peer-to-peer global exchange that announced its closure on April 4, citing regulatory challenges and staff shortages. Trust Wallet's head of product, Eric Chang, said that the off-ramp feature would prove to be a boon for customers, especially at a time when the market is turbulent, and crypto platforms are under heavy scrutiny over managing customers' funds. Trust Wallet is the official cryptocurrency wallet of Binance. It offers access to 65 different blockchains and boasts a customer base of 60 million users. The wallet also gives users access to decentralized applications, dApps, enabling them to communicate with dApps on any supported blockchain. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.